we're gonna learn a song, and I want you to guess what it is. Can you see any clues? What is this song about? Let's learn some words. Let's learn 3 words about today's song. The first word, can you guess what it is? I live in the sea. I am small, but I can be big. I can swim. I'm very delicious in sushi. What am I? That's right, fish. Fish is our first word, all right? Fish is the first word that we're going to see today. Fish. Can you see it? Fish. Okay, so we've got the word fish. Fish. Now, how many claps can I do to the word fish? Is it 1 clap? Fish. 2 claps. Fish. Which one is it? 1, 2. Ding dong ding. The answer is 1. Okay, it's 1 clap. Like this. Fish. Fish. Good job. That's our first word. We've got fish. Alright? Let's take a look at the next word. The next word is like this. Watch me. I'm gonna do the action for it. Ow. Huh? What? Whoa! What am I doing? I can do this with a fruit. Wait a minute. What did I do? What's that? It's so juicy. What did I just do? The answer is bite, okay? Bite is the answer. Let's take a look at a picture. Bite. Bite. I bit the apple, okay? The word is bite. Now, how many claps can we make to the word bite? Is it 1 clap? Bite. Is it 2 claps? Bite. Is it 3 claps? Bite. Which one is it? 1, 2, or 3? Ding. It's 1 clap. 1 clap. Bite. Bite. Good job. All right, let's put it away. Let's put it over here. The last word is, I'm gonna give you a clue. This is the last word that we're going to be learning about. What's this called? What's this called? What's this called? What's this called? This is my hand, but what's on my hand? Fingers. Good job. Fingers. And we're only going to talk about 1 finger. Actually, we're talking about this finger. All right? Finger. Finger. Let's put it on the board. Look. Finger. Finger. Let's put the word finger. Now, how many times can I clap the word finger? Is it 2? Finger. Is it 3? Finger. Or is it 4? Finger. Which one is it? 2, 3, or 4? Ding. It's 2. Finger. 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 Alright, let's do it. And this one is the loud sound. Bing. And this one is the quiet sound. Finger. Finger. Good job. Now let's make a gesture for finger. We're gonna make this gesture for finger. Can you make it with me? Finger. Oh, actually, let's make this gesture for finger. finger. Good job. Now, can I eat with fingers? Can I use my fingers to eat? Yes, I can. I can use my fingers to peel, and I can use my fingers to eat. Can I use my fingers to scratch? Yeah, if you're itchy, you can scratch with your fingers. Are these fingers? No, these are thumbs. Okay, great job. Let's take a look at the next word. Bite. Bite. Let's make a gesture for bite. We're gonna make this gesture. Bite. Bite. Can I bite an apple? Yes, I can. Can I bite with my teeth? Yes, I can. Can I bite this? Yes, I can, but I don't want to. No. Good job. Let's take a look at another word. Fish. Fish. Gesture for fish is this. Fish. Fish. Good. Now, can a fish swim? Can it swim? Yes, it can. Does a fish live in the desert or in water? Where does the fish live? Desert, water. The fish lives in water. Is Nemo a fish? Yes, Nemo is a very small, pretty fish. Good job. Now you're ready to sing a song. Sing a song with me. So we're gonna do it line by line. The first line, we're gonna count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you do it with me, with the gestures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. Once I caught a fish alive, with the gestures. Once I caught a fish alive. Good job. Great. And we're going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's do it one more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Then I let it go again. And when we say then I let it go again, we're going to do it like this. Then I let it go again. Then I let it go again. So let's do it all 3 lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? That's the next line. So we're going to put our hands like this. Why did you let it go? Okay, let's do it again. Why did you let it go? Good job. Because it bit my fingers so. And when we do that, we're going to say because. Because. Okay, one more time. Because. Alright. Because it bit my. And you're in pain. It's hurting. Ouch. Ouch. The fish. Ouch. Because it bit my fingers so. Alright. Because it bit my fingers so. Okay. And which finger did it bite? We're going to do it with our shoulders. Which finger did it bite? Good. This little finger on my right. Good. So we're going to come close. This little finger on my right. Excellent. Let's put it all together with the actions and gestures. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my fingers so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Good job. Give yourselves a clap.